Hey guys, I'm wanting to show you a little graphic liner look today. Filming in my bed. Nice, comfy, cozy. Gonna lay down while I do this, so we'll see how it goes. I'm wanting to use this little paint palette from Suva. I got this from beautybay.com. You can honestly use any water-based, water-activated eyeliner. This has changed my life. It's so easy to use, quick, so fun for all those gorgeous graphic eyeliner looks that you're wanting to do, and so versatile. You can play with all different colors, all different shapes. Yeah, so let's get to it. I'm gonna take my little paintbrush that I love to use. I just take a really small one. The smaller the better, because you can get thinner, nice, clean lines. And all you do is dip it in some water. Yup. This is seriously just like paint. Like, we're painting our face for real. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a orange and pink look to match my little sweater I have on. So I'm gonna start with the color orange. All I'm doing is taking that wet brush, sweeping it in the orange eyeliner. I get a little more water. Just get it nice and wet. Now I like to wipe off my brush before I use it, just on the side so it isn't too wet. Cool. Now we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna draw a line right above my crease and wing it out. That easy, guys. Look at that color. It's beautiful. You can go in and fix it a bit. Using a really light hand here. That fast, that easy. The pigment is insane. Let's do the other side. Right above the crease, and we sweep. That's it. While I'm doing this, to get a really clean line, I like to have my elbow on a surface so my arm can't really move, like on my counter or in this case on my bed. And I like to look down. I hold my mirror below me and I look down. That makes it easier, in my opinion. So yeah, there's our first lines. I'm gonna get the brush a little bit more wet. And get some more orange. Again, wiping it off a bit. And now I'm gonna go across my lash line. Cool. I think I'm gonna connect in the inner corner. No, I hate it. Not gonna do that. Cool. So I'm gonna slightly start to connect the two. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just drawing the two lines together in the inner corner to give it a little pop there. Now, I was going to leave these disconnected, but I think I like the idea of connecting them. So, let's just go ahead and do that. Beautiful. Nice. Sweep it out to get a nice sharp point on the edge. Gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Fill up more water. A bit more orange. Gorgeous. Now let's connect it in the corner. Also slightly. Beautiful. I love that. Cool. Okay, I'm getting my brush wet. I'm going to squeeze it like so, so I have a super fine point. Obviously, wash your hands before you do your makeup. I am big about using my fingers. I mean, they're tools, free tools, so cool. So now I have a bit of a tiny brush. I'm gonna brush it in the pink ever so slightly, trying to keep it right on the tip since this line will be much thinner than the orange one. Get a little more water. Cool. Now all I'm gonna do is draw a thinner line on top of that orange line. Again, on the other side. Gorgeous, and that's the liner. I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'll be right back. And here's the finished look. I went ahead and just added some lashes. I love this makeup. I think it's so simple, so easy, but it looks like you really took your time and that you're a makeup superstar. So love, love, love. Also, if your lines are a little shaky or not as great as you would like them to be, all you need is a Q-tip and some makeup remover. I use jojoba oil. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but all I do is put a little drip of that and I can clean up any lines. So that's a pro tip. The more you do it, the better you'll get at just getting it right the first time. So yeah, go ahead and try this out. Let me know what you think. If this didn't make you want to get water activated liners, then I don't know what will. They come in so many fun colors. It's a great way to add a pop to your look and, you know, play, express yourself through makeup. I think it's such a wonderful thing to do and something I have been in love with for so long. I also think that this would look super good if we just did a little bit of glitter on the lid. So maybe I'll just throw that on now. I'm just using my finger, a little pink, swiping it on. You guys, this liner isn't going anywhere. Like, you can rub it, smudge proof, stays all day. It's amazing.